So, hello everyone. I come bearing some good news. So this we were discussing about the trial, the federal trial that was going on concerning Meta, and how it was affecting teen adults in the U.S. and how several states, close to 29 states, sued Meta in the federal trial, and Mark Zuckerberg had to appear before the court and sort of defend himself against all the harm that was being caused to teen adults as a result of their constant addiction, teen addiction to platforms like Instagram and Facebook. So now a $18 billion settlement has been made with by Zuckerberg, or by Meta, with all of these states. And what has been promised is that there would be regulatory controls which would be introduced on these platforms to make it extra safe for all these teen adults, because their scroll time would be reduced, and also there would be parental controls, push notifications, and also the content that they would be viewing on the platform would be regulated. It won't be so addictive as it is now, because the scroll time would be regulated, and also the time that has been allotted for go, and the content that can be viewed, and also the kind of the amount of content or the nature of the content that has been consumed, or the content which is fueling emotions like depression, anxiety, anger, etc., all of this will be reduced to a large extent. And even if many teen adults are suffering from body image issues, or some of them are developing insecurities or some kind of a complex, all that would be taken care of. So for that purpose, even those filters, the makeup filters, etc., which are available now on all these platforms, would be eliminated over a period of time. So now this settlement that is there is basically close to one fourth of the revenue that has been earned by Meta, which is $201 billion approximately. So this would be spread out over a period of 10 years, which all the states have agreed to, and many of the parents and many of these states are overjoyed by this new settlement. And this was the commencement of the proceedings that happened at Oakland, California, at the federal court there. So, as promised, Meta has agreed to this settlement, but even then, few of its former employees are unhappy, because they, when questioned, they said that this is like telling someone that you have 2 hours during the day during which you will not consume cigarettes, or you have 2 hours during the day when you won't take alcohol or when you won't touch alcohol. But then after those 2 hours, that person is going to go back to that practice. So similarly, it's like these restrictions, these controls or regulations which have been incorporated into the settings of these platforms is like just giving a warning to these teen adults, or giving a warning to Meta, saying, okay, bring about these controls and let's see how it goes. But over a period of time, again, it's going to seem like they're going to go back to practicing things the way it was before this. So or it's like a fair warning which is given to them, and not a death threat. So they're going to again take it lightly, and again their children are going to go back to doing what they were doing, and Meta is going to continue earning money. So these parental controls don't seem to be strict enough to bring about any sort of constructive change which we can observe on a daily basis. But it's an important update nevertheless, that they have agreed to this settlement, and Meta is willing to pay, and Zuckerberg showed up for the trial, and they have and many of these parents are even willing to settle for this sum of money, and the states have also agreed to this, although few states still have their concerns with regard to this. And this it is going to be what I thought would be a long drawn battle, which is going to continue over a long period of time, has surprisingly ended shortly, because probably Meta didn't want their revenue to be interrupted in between. So yeah, it's quite a bit of a surprise that they have decided to settle for this amount, and just end the deal by introducing these kind of parental controls and regulatory protocols. But this is one area where we must watch out, because I would like to see more constructive changes happening. Many of the other countries, in fact, are concerned with the social media platforms, and they're even considering banning social media for good, because many of these teen adults are getting very addicted to social media, and they are spending long hours on social media without doing anything constructive. So, as a result of which, Meta is making a huge sum of money. So, as a result of which, many other countries are debating the policies of Meta and their privacy consent, etc. And all those things associated with Meta, all their privacy policies, all their consent forms, and associated documents, where we basically give our where we sign up, what we sign up for, and where we give our consent, and the kind of agreements that we sign up for. So one should be very careful, and especially now that we have all these AI generated images that we can sort of introduce or generate, and people are playing around with it, misusing it for different purposes, and generating images and videos which were so people are basically using a lot of their faces, they're using their voices, they're using their bodies, they're basically giving up all of that content to Meta, and Meta is using that content to create certain images and videos which could then be misused. So that is a whole another topic to be dealt with on another day, or even I have talked about it in some of the previous videos. But the prime focus of this video that I'm talking about right now is basically about Meta settling for $18 billion, and people getting overjoyed with this settlement, and Meta introducing regulatory protocols and parental controls on all of these platforms, social media platforms, and promising to reduce the kind of impact that social media has on teen adults, especially targeting issues of depression and anxiety, because those would eventually lead to extreme impacts like suicide, etc., because that's what insecurities can do to a person. So this is let's see how this kind of pans out in the future. I am very, very hopeful that teen adults won't get very impacted or very much disturbed or alarmed by what's going to happen in the future. That is my hope. So let's continue with that optimism. But this is the space which is to watch out for, and also be keenly aware of the developments and what is going to happen next. So let's see how things kind of develop in the area, and follow this space for more content like this. Thank you.